Add your clip. Go to Beats options. Click on Auto Generate. Click on Transition. Search Shake. Here in first. Adjust 0.4 sec. Click and apply to all clip. Simply remove the transition from first and second clip. Select a clip. Click Animation. Select Turbulence. Adjust Turbulence 0.6. Do the same process in all clips. After that, go in Effect. Video Effects. Now search Vibration Flash. Adjust Same Like Me. After doing Tot again, go to Effects. Oblique Blur. Now watch nicely. Adjust the effect as I am doing. Click on Object and select All Video. Add keyframe in first and last of effect. Then go in first key, adjust like me. And the go in last key and do blur 0. Duplicate it 3 to 4 times. Direct add duplicated effect in third clip. Do 1 extra duplicate of effect and take it in second clip. Again, go in first keyframe and adjust. Duplicate it as earlier you did. After doing that, select a fourth clip. Make freeze of this clip. Now do overlay. Now adjust like me, 0.7 sec. Select clip, go to remove BG.
I can't let these niggas miss us. Talking crazy, think you might get stitched up. I know why they ain't know me, so I switch spots.
After that, go in basic and set the clip perfectly. Add keyframe in first and in last of the clip. In first key, again go in basic and do what I am doing.
Driven to deep left field and gone. Bada boom, bada bing, bout cash, bout bling. Go ahead, make it ring, 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 ring. Told the thought he bring a ding, 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 ding. Whole squad need chains and rings. Loud smoke, some Asian things. Yeah.
Go in graph.
On it, even if I don't need it. Bands on me left the cashier speeches. Thank God, thank Keen. The real friends, you don't know.
Select circular ease.
Go do the math, split it up until it's even. I spaz on the beat for no reason. Tripping out, walking on water like Jesus. Let them know it's no season.
Now duplicate the fourth clip.
So I switch spots. Now we're running
Do overlay the duplicated clip. Then set below the original clip. Add keyframe in first of the clip. Then go to splice and adjust it up to 2530. Again, add second key dot frame in the middle of the clip. Do little zoom in second keyframe. You can do zoom by using your figure. Also, but better to do using basic close. Again, add third keyframe near the middle one. Then again, go to splice and not make adjustment 0. It's done, now export it. Again for curving the frame. Add the recently exported clip. Select the clip and go to mask. Select rectangle. Adjust it. For curve frame, play with this.